Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I created this video using an app, frame, and videos in Canva. Okay, once in Canva, go to Elements and go to Letter Frames and gather the word neon. Next, put it in your design, resize it, and arrange the letters in order. Once you're finished, go back to Elements and search for glowing neon lights. And I chose to have two colors for it, pink and blue. When you finally find the right video for you, you can go ahead and start putting it into your letter frames one by one. Next, you need to go back to Elements, click the square, expand it over your project and change it to color black, and then place it underneath. Check your work if everything is okay. Okay, after that, go to apps and look for the text maker. Once you found it, click it and type in the word city. Go ahead to effects and search for the neon one. Select all to match the theme. So I chose dotted neon. Fix the word city and make it all caps and add to design. Once it's in my design, I resize it to blend well with my design, and I type in the word lies, but this time I changed the color to complement the blue part of the neon sign. Once I finish changing the colors, I click add to design once again, resize it, and you can actually stop from here. Check your work, it's all good. And this is an optional. You can also add text to type in or to add your brand name or your website. It's up to you. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you are a fan of Canva as well and want to learn to know more, please follow for more.